Okay, we're laying out our circle. We found our center. We got it at about 1.5 inches in from the edge, 1.5 inches. We've got our circle drawn. Now we're going to take our divider, pick any point, doesn't matter where. Put it on your line, mark an X, mark an X. And let me come back and hit that X again. Okay, I'm going to do that one and that one. And we're going to do that one. And one more. When you come back to this line, it should match up, which it does. All right. You divided it into a 6-sided unit. Now we're going to pick the 3 holes that we want to drill. So we're going to go with this one, and this one. So it's every other spot. One here, skip, one here, skip, one here, skip. Now you've got 3 equal points for your legs. Here's what they look like. All right. I'm going to draw my lines through there so that I can get a perfect line on the edge, and I know where to line up my drill press. By doing that, all we're going to do is connect the dots here. I'm just using a straight edge here. It's just a straight piece of wood. But I connect the dots between these crosshairs that I just created. Okay. Do that 3 times. If you were to cut these out, like this is how you would make a wooden bolt head. Same exact way. A bolt has machine bolts. They have 6 sides. And that's for another video. But you would connect your dots straight across. One here, one here, one here. And if you cut that straight off, you would have the shape of a bolt head. So that's what we're doing here, all right? We got 3 points. Take this over to drill press, and we'll cut these holes out.